In consumer news, consumers' uneasy feelings about the economy, tariffs, and their jobs were underscored by two reports released yesterday morning. Karen Kava has the details from Washington.
We've talked a lot about consumer sentiment and what economists describe as soft data and what consumers are feeling in the midst of the upheaval surrounding President Trump's tariff policy. But data released on Wednesday morning backs those feelings up with a slowdown in economic growth and hiring pulling back. President Donald Trump denying the impact of his tariffs after the U.S. economy posted its worst quarter since 2022.
I have to start off by saying that's Biden. That's not Trump, because we came in on January. This is the quarterly numbers.
Analysts see it differently.
Tariffs and the anticipation of tariffs were really driving some of the drop in GDP that we saw.
The Commerce Department said the nation's gross domestic product, or GDP, the total value of products and services, shrank at a 0.3% annual rate during the first 3 months of 2025. It's a sharp reverse from 2.4% growth during the final 3 months of 2024. Businesses stepped up imports during the first quarter, likely to get ahead of Trump's tariffs. And when imports exceed exports, that drags down growth. Consumer spending was its weakest since mid-2023.
The bottom line is that the economy is slowing, consumers are not spending as much as they used to, and that's really taking away some of the power away from the economy at the time when tariffs and fears of recessions are starting to increase.
A separate report from payroll processor ADP showed private sector employers added just 62,000 jobs in April, a steep drop-off from 147,000 in March. Particularly concerning to some economists, small businesses pulling back.
Those are businesses that really have the least amount of margins to be able to deal with tariffs, and that's one of the things we're very concerned about going forward, is that we could see red ink in the employment data as we get into May and June.
A more comprehensive look at the labor market since President Trump's Liberation Day tariff announcement on April 2nd will come on Friday when the Labor Department releases its monthly jobs report for April. In Washington, I'm Karen Kava.